Hello, my lovely people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we are making one of my absolute favorites, catfish pepper soup. It's warm, flavorful, spicy, and perfect for a cozy evening when you just want something comforting and delicious. We're going to start with a clean catfish. I've cut my catfish into large chunks. This will help it not to scatter during the cooking process. The easiest way to clean your catfish is with warm water and some vinegar. You can also use a lime to do that, but I just use vinegar. I find that very easy to do. I'm going to transfer my catfish pieces or slices into a large pot. You want to use a pot that will give it enough room so that you're not turning it around a lot. And I'm going to add in my pepper mix, which is a blend of some scotch bonnet pepper and some bell pepper, red bell pepper. Now I'm going to go on to add some pepper soup mix. This is a blend of some traditional herbs, and then I'm going to add some seasoning cube to it, and then a little salt to taste. Just be careful with your salt. And then I'm going to transfer it to the heat, and while it's cooking, I'll prep the other ingredients. Now I live in the UK and I'm going to use dry scent leaf, just adding a bit of warm water to it to rehydrate it. And then I'm adding some plantain chunks to my pepper soup just to add some texture. I'm going to slice my plantain into some medium-sized pieces. And then when my catfish has been on the heat for about 10 minutes, I'm going to add more water to it, just enough to cover it, and we're going to move it around. I don't want to use spoon to turn it, so I just shake my pot around to sort of stir it around. I'm going to add my plantain slices to it because I want it to cook alongside the fish. And then I'm going to add my scent leaf because my scent leaf is still a bit dry. I want it to have time on the heat to soften up. And then we're going to cover our catfish and let it cook for about 30 minutes. It gets done quite easily. It's a wonderful comfort food, very easy to make, and when it's done you can just serve it in a bowl. I'll add some catfish, some of the stock from it that is full of flavor and very spicy, and I will also add my plantain slices to it. This is just a warm bowl of comfort, something you can eat in a winter evening. I hope you try this recipe. Give me a like, give me a comment, and subscribe to my channel.